Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here. Somebody by name Naneshwar Rao asked me to give the analysis of the fall of Nifty falling to 15,183. Actually, this fall was due. Here, if you see in this area, the Nifty had made an equal lows. Nifty has fallen below this down. And now the question arises whether it's an halt or whether it is going to go down a little further. Actually, if you see the structure of the market, the swing has started from here. Swing has started from this area. This area. From this area, swing has started. Here, in between this area was a piece of consolidation, and it was a reaccumulation, and it started going up. Now, Nifty has fallen below this level and enable the pivots so that you will come to know the levels 15,450, and it has gone past the below of the 15. It has touched the level of 15,183. Here in this area, there is cluster of price action over here. The price, if you carefully see, price made an high here and it came down, and then it has gone up and it has tried to retest this area. This is the retesting of the 14,152, and later it has here. You can see around this area 15,431 to 15,336, it has crossed the level. Now, the question arises whether Nifty has completed the correction. Now it is at 15,183, and a doji has formed on the Friday. Doji is nothing but after a huge sell-off, this is a halt in the market, or market will not go continuously sell off like that, and it will seek some higher prices to go again for sell-off. Now, if we measure let me enable all this. So if I enable, there are so many, so I'll remove all the drawing tools. Remove drawings. If I enable the fib level from here to here, so now Nifty has retraced almost 0.78% of this swing. 0.78% of the swing. So it's almost, it has come to the down level. So it is oversold and it is also cheap. So here it can go reverse little bit from here 15,183. It can show some sort of reversal price action as there is a fair value gap is there. This is a fair value gap around this area. From here to here, no trades have been taken place because it is a imbalance candle. Imbalance candle. In between, if you go to the lower time frame, you can see some trades will be there, some locations will be there. So Nifty can try to push to little bit trade upwards or otherwise, if this sell-off continues, this is a pause. This candle is a pause. Suppose if Nifty starts from Monday, if it starts going like that, for another 2 days, next week, it can trade up to like this, near 15,558 or something. It can go up. Or otherwise, if the sell-off continues, it can come down and start selling off to this level. Here actually, this is the breaker block. Breaker block means the Nifty has broken above this level. So if you check the order block over here around this area, I'll go to weekly time frame because there are many candles out there. So we'll go to weekly and we'll see for the order block in this area. This is the last candle. I'll remove the fib. This is the last red candle before the up move. So price can come down. Either it can go up or it can come down to mitigate this order block. So it can come down and take orders from over here. So Nifty is possibly, I feel the Nifty correction is not yet over, and the whatever the pullback in the next week, if it happens, it may be short-lived. It may go up to this level, 15,000 maximum, 15,616 or something. And then it can start going to sell off to this level. And the Nifty has not completed its sell-off. Nifty has not completed its sell-off. And whatever the price action, whatever you are seeing in the next week is just a pullback which will give to sell on price because it has broken down the important major support level and it is approaching this level from where the swing has started. And another order block is over here. This is the block over here. Let me remove this. And even price can come down to this level too. Can go 14,046. It can come down to 14,046 also. But it takes time. In between there will be rallies and in between there will be sell-offs. So whatever the pullbacks seen in the Nifty in a coming week, in coming days, may be used for selling on rise because it has fallen below this level and also it has fallen below the important support level. So it is a weakness. And now whatever you are seeing on the Nifty is just on daily, it is just a pause. After a huge selling, price has paused and it may show some 2 or 3 green candles and then it may go for selling like this. You may anticipate, sorry, not this tool. You can anticipate the pullback like this. And this is also another support level, 15,080 or something. And then it can go up to the final target of 14,105, or it can halt over here, 14,559. So we need to watch only the price action in the due course of time, it will tell what is going to happen. So if we measure the fib extension, let me check what is the, whether it has completed its, sorry. No, I'm not getting the exact level. Okay, it is one is the zigzag level, but it has surpassed that. Sometimes zigzag extension will also be to 1.272, 1.272, and also it will come down to 1.414 and 1.618. So when it is exactly at this order block, it can stop at even here also, or even at the level of 14,887, the fib extension is telling. So there is more weakness to go in the Nifty. No, it is not it's not I don't think the Nifty will reverse soon to the upside. So it has to complete its correction. Still correction is on. In between rallies are used to sell off. And let me also talk about the yesterday's price action. Let me go to lower time frame, 15 minutes, reset. I'm resetting the chart. See what happened is, yesterday, the market fell down to this level and a buyer has stepped in, and then it was a sideways movement. It is a pause actually. Pause. This move can lead to like this. It can do like that. It can come down and it can test this level. What is that level? 15,464, and or otherwise it can go past this level to a little bit more to 15,513, because it is a huge imbalance. So it can seek the higher prices to get sold off. Or otherwise, on Monday also, it can go sideways, and or otherwise it can show some sort of upward movement in the market. So upward movements can be used for selling the Nifty, and Nifty has not completed its correction. See, this is the one of 15,559. This 15,559 to 15,500 can act as a resistance, and the price can come back and can go seek its level down. That's what I feel. If I go to weekly also, and remove trends, you can see on the weekly chart, from here, the swing has started. Swing has started from here. So it has come to this level. This is the break BOS to the upside. Break of the structure to the upside. And this is the last red candle, which is responsible for the upward movement. So this, the order block is at 14,809, 14,979. It can go down also. So Nifty has not completed the correction in it will be a pause and little bit, because since it is oversold, there will be some sort of pullback and then it can go down. Okay, friends, this will help you to understand what Nifty is going to do, whether it is an world market or anything. Nifty has started its correction below. It has shown weakness. Break below this structure, it is showing a weakness. That's it, friends. Thank you very much.